Today we're going to be making spinach, orzo, and meatball soup. When I filmed this video, Swiss Chard was in season, so that's what I used. But right now, spinach is in season, so I recommend using that. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of spinach, 2 stalks of celery, an onion, and a carrot chopped, 4 cups of chicken stock, about 1/2 pound of orzo, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of mushroom, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 1/2 an onion for the meatballs, and 1 pound of ground turkey. Add together your ingredients for the meatball. Add in 2 eggs as a binder. Add your olive oil and about 1/2 of the milk. Add around 4 cloves of garlic and thoroughly mix. If you can tell your mixture is slightly dry, add in some more of your milk. Combine well. Use a tablespoon measurer and scoop out some of your meatball mix and form them into balls. Set the oven to 400, and after it's done preheating, put the meatballs in for about 10 minutes. Now get started on your soup. You're going to add olive oil, your carrots, onions, and celery. Saute that with the rest of your garlic. I added some mushroom to mine, and this is when you would add whatever else vegetables you might want. Add in your spinach or greens that you're using, and then cover with a lid. Once the leaves are wilted, you're going to want to mix your vegetables and then add in your orzo. Add your 4 cups of chicken broth, and season. Once the meatballs are finished, add them to your broth and mix. Put your lid back on and let your soup continue to cook. You can add salt. You're also going to want to add some hot water because the orzo will be soaking up some of the chicken broth. And you don't want it to reduce too much. I added about 1/4 of a lemon. Now would be a good time to taste it for seasoning. Once your soup is done, take it off of the stove to stop it from cooking, and it's ready to serve.